Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Showoff Imports. My name is Sven and today I'm going to explain you something about the air cups. A couple of weeks ago we posted a post on our Facebook page with a Ford Mustang that had some air cups installed, and we get a lot of questions by email. So we thought it was like time to make a small video to explain what the air cups are and what they are doing. You already saw the video, or maybe not, on our Facebook. But there are some misunderstandings. Some people think they only need the air cup kit, that's the compressor and just the cups, but it isn't. You also need a coilover set. So I'm going to explain a little bit, and I will just reassemble the coilover, installing the cups, just to show you how easy it is to fit those cups on your car. So we are starting with a coilover kit. This is a BC Racing coilover kit for Subaru STI 0507, but yeah, you can use it on almost every coilover kit. The only thing we need to know if you wanted to buy the cups is the shaft diameter of the damper. In this case, we can measure it. It's 13 millimeters, and then we're taking the air cup, checking the hole, and that's also 13. So this is the good combination we need. So first of all, just show you the air cup. It's just like an aluminium cup with a nozzle on it. You will put the air hose for the compression. Yeah, the inside blue ceilings, and of course the hole. Yeah, what you have to do: reassemble the coilover. It's a really easy job, especially with BC Racing. I already losing the bolts, so it's going really easy now. You need number 14. Just remove the adjuster, put it aside. Number 17. Removing the top bolt. And then after removing just like 2 bolts, you can reassemble the complete top mount. And as you can see, you only have the spring left. Make sure there is a plastic. You can remove this one. There is a plastic ring in it. You have to remove it because it doesn't fit in the cups. So you have to always remove the plastic ring. So, the only thing you have to do is getting the cup, putting it over, and you are almost done. The only thing we have to do is just to lowering the spring a little bit, because the air cup is around 35 or 40 millimeters. So yeah, there's not enough thread on it to reassemble or to assemble the top mount. So we have to lower. Removing this one. We have to lower the spring. It goes really easy. I'm not sure how much we have to lower it, but we will find out. So when the air cup is installed, you have to do everything the other way around. And as we can see, we tried it, it's still not far enough. So we have to lower the spring a little bit more. This will do the job. That looks better. Don't forget to mount the adjuster. And then Within a couple of minutes it's all set. And that's how it works. It's really easy. Just need a coilover kit, the right diameter of the piston shaft and the air cups. And in the following video we will show you how it works on the Mustang.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.